everybody, this is Marcus. Welcome back. On my last birthday, I got a remote control skateboard. I asked my dad to help me build 2 ramps. This is nothing fancy. This is from leftovers. This is a good way to learn how to use power tools. This is the first time I used a bandsaw. It's fun but dangerous. If you're a kid like me, always ask for help. This step, you can do it with the handsaw. We need 2 pieces for each ramp. If you're new in this channel, please subscribe. We're going to use glue and screws for 1 ramp. This is a simple project, but it's super fun. The second ramp is taller. Same process, but instead of screws, nails. They're not too pretty, but they work. And now let's have fun.
Go, Marcus. Go. Okay. Okay, now. Exactly.
Video. I got that on video. I know that goes super fast, Dad. Yeah, I got that.
Okay, go.
Thanks for watching. That's all for today. Like and subscribe.